This is Matt, and this will be a short video on how to turn on or turn off location sharing on Firefox. So I'm right here on the Firefox browser, just on my basic purple homepage right here. We are going to come up to the very top where it says Firefox for the main settings. So you see File at the top, just to the left of File is Firefox. We'll come down to Preferences. Once Preferences are open, by default it's showing General at the top for the general preferences. We will come down 3, so we have General at the top, then Home, then Search, and then Privacy and Security right here in the sidebar. Click on Privacy and Security. Then we will come down quite far, so I'm just scrolling down. We see Permissions here. This says Permissions you give to websites you browse. So this is the main location one at the top, which is what this video is about. We're going to click on Location, and what you'll see here is any website that has requested access to your location, you can edit it here. And as Firefox says, you can specify which websites are allowed to access your location. You can also block new requests from accessing, from asking even to access your location. So you'll see that I don't have any websites here. I make quite a good practice of actually removing websites here. But when you open this up, you might see that you have websites here. So you can remove websites here. You can remove all of them in one go, and you can also finesse it and kind of go granular and allow certain ones right here with the status. You've also got this option to block new requests from asking to access your location, which I turned off on mine just to show you, but I'm going to set that again. So this will block new requests from asking to access your location, so you won't have anything shown up here. So if you want to completely turn off location, you can do that. If you want to allow it on certain websites, you can do that, and you can even search for websites and allow them in right here. So this will prevent, this actual tick box will prevent any websites not listed above from requesting permission to access your location in future. Blocking access to your location may break some website features. That should be noted there. That's important. So then we just click Save Changes, and those changes will be reflected, any changes that you made right there. That was a very short, straightforward, no fluff video on how to turn on or off the location permission settings in the Firefox browser. If you found this video useful, drop this video a like, it really helps, and subscribe to the channel for more videos.